Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the Man of Steel himself, Henry Cavill! Listen to that crowd. How have you found this reception this evening?
You know, it's the home nation, and I'm just so happy to bring it back. And everyone's been amazing. Loving all the noise everyone's making. Thank you so much.
It's so great that everybody came out to show their support and appreciation for the film. Thank you for standing in the rain.
I'm having a great time. I'm so happy everybody came out. Thanks for coming.
It's weird. Every time we come to London, it's like the best crowds, the best, enthusiasm. I can't believe it. And it's like double it's been in the past, so really amazing.
This is awesome. This is a bit crazier than we had in New York. You guys do it right in the UK.
What, in your opinion, made Zack the perfect choice to direct Man of Steel?
I think the movie has some just amazing visuals in it, which he talked about being able to do and which he far exceeded even what he talked about.
Had it not been for Zack sitting down with me, telling me the story, and as he's telling me the story, I started to hear notes in my head.
As a kid, I was so taken away by it, and it's been a real joy to be able to sit down and watch his finished film and experience that all over again.
Where I grew up, Superman really didn't exist, so he got introduced to my life quite late. Now I know how important it is.
I'm excited to know what it felt like the first time you put that suit on.
You know, man, the suit's just got, it's a physical force in itself, and it felt to all of us in the room like we were creating something. There was something very, very special about it.
This challenge of being Superman required some amazing things from him, and never once did I hear him complain, and never once did I see him with his head down, So he brought a real Superman quality to playing Superman, I tell you that.